Every day we see others achieving great things, landing that dream job, starting a successful business, or reaching personal milestones. It's easy to think, why not them? But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why not me? It's a question that can change everything. When you see someone else succeed, it's natural to feel a mix of admiration and doubt. You might wonder if you have what it takes, or if your dreams are too big. But instead of letting those doubts take over, flip the script. Ask yourself, why can't I be the one to succeed? Think about it. There's nothing inherently special about others that makes them more deserving of success than you. They faced challenges, took risks, and fought through failures, just like you will. The difference is often in their mindset. They chose to believe in themselves and their potential. Imagine the possibilities if you embraced the idea that you deserve success too. When you say, why not me? You open the door to new opportunities. You start to see that your dreams are valid and achievable. It encourages you to take action, to step out of your comfort zone, and to pursue what truly matters to you. Of course, the path won't always be easy. There will be setbacks and moments of doubt. But each time you face a challenge, remind yourself, why not me? This question can become your driving force. It pushes you to keep going, to learn from failures, and to grow stronger with each experience. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and encourage you to chase your dreams. Share your aspirations with them, and let their support remind you that you are capable of great things. When you have a strong support system, it's easier to believe in yourself. It's also important to celebrate your own progress, no matter how small. Each step you take is a step closer to your goals. Recognize your achievements and be proud of the effort you put in. This builds your confidence and reinforces the belief that you are deserving of success. Remember, success looks different for everyone. It's not always about fame or fortune. It can be personal growth, overcoming fears, or achieving a long-held dream. Define what success means to you and let that guide your journey. So the next time you find yourself comparing your journey to someone else's, pause and ask, why not me? Embrace the possibilities, believe in your potential, and take action. You have everything within you to create the life you want. Your story is still being written, and it has the power to inspire others. Believe that you can, because why not you?